Indian culture, even though traditional, has always had a forward-thinking approach and a global vision which has resulted in continued growth and opportunities for its people. Bayer has been operating in India for more than 100 years and today employs more than 3,000 people. The workforce in India is also contributing to the worldwide growth of Bayer. Bayer Business Services has been the Bayer Group's competence center for IT-based services since 2003 and is organized as a global company. The India Delivery Center, or IDC, was established in January 2005 at Thane near Mumbai. It was set up to function as a cost-effective IT service for BBS worldwide and to support internationalization. IDC has a customer base which spreads across our headquarters from the United States of America to the Asia Pacific.
We have a very interesting and nice setup over here. If I look back what has been done since the last 3 years, about 3 years ago in 2005, we had just a couple of people working here or in some other premises, and today we have a large setup of about 300 people working in various areas, and we are quite proud on what we provide as of today. We are here located in an old production hall of Bayer Healthcare, so we had some batch processes running here just 1 year ago for Bayer Pharmaceutical products. And today we have the setup of the IDC producing IT services for our customers. We are working in several areas, in total 5 departments. We have 2 departments dealing with SAP services and SAP development. So we are developing new applications for SAP environments.
We are providing support to various customers in different regions. Services like R3 monitoring activities using Solution Manager, S-Node implementation, transport management. We also do have some special tasks like early doc monitoring and also few of the number range maintenance. We are running 24/7 operations for Singapore basis team, and also we are building up a new strong team for BW data load monitoring.
Our support is focused on the 3 geographies, namely Europe, Asia Pac and US. Our support is restricted to Bayer as of now. We have consultants who are across modules, pretty experienced in their own field and in the functional side as well. And off late we are entering into the new dimensional products of SAP like APU and BW. Currently we are operating on extended workbench model and looking at transitioning it into a service model.
We are working with another department in custom-made applications where we are developing Lotus Notes databases, web portals and other applications. We also have a test center.
The Lotus Notes team at IDC is supporting around 2,500 applications or databases around the world. It also works on development and enhancements of applications. One of the examples is the order-based system which has been implemented for the whole of Asia Pacific region. This application is for the regional service centers and our customer is BMS. Test center team works in the testing area. This team can do the testing of applications which could be being developed in any corner of the world. The test center team can perform various types of testing which could include functional testing, performance testing, regression testing, etc.
We have just recently started a department on innovation management, so we are happy that we can participate in the innovation management initiative within Bayer Business Services.
Innovation services at IDC is offered in three areas: pre-studies, pilot services, as well as project consultancy. In all these three areas, we ensure that we first understand our business customers' needs, and once we are clear with what the business customer wants, we then propose various options to suit the customer's requirements based on cost, quality and time factors. We are also active members in regional and global innovation teams within BBS.
We also have quite new IT operations where we are providing batch job monitoring services. For example, we are monitoring around about 1.5 million jobs per month, supporting, for example, month-end closing. And we are also monitoring virus protection applications.
We provide a lot of services to the IDC. All IT infrastructure services, that is desktop services, service desk, international connectivity, local area network services, messaging, and etc.
We manage the IT services of 3 of our major customers, which include Bayer Crop Science, Bayer Healthcare and Bayer Material Science. What you're seeing in the screen are jobs, and every job means millions to the customers. They are jobs that even bring payrolls, wherein the customers get their salaries. They are jobs for generating inventories. To just minimize this problem of resolving things, we are 24/7 support.
We also provide quality management, training and development, and controlling.
The Global Job Scheduling and Monitoring team supports different time zones and functions 24/7, thus ensuring 100% service delivery and satisfaction to the customers, since jobs mean business to customers. These screens provide continuous monitoring of servers and network devices.
Today, innovation activities are more focused to saving operational cost, improving operational efficiencies, basically doing more with less money, resources, and people.
In terms of technology, the custom-made applications department or the team works in various technology areas. These includes Lotus Notes, Java, web portals, web content management systems, .NET, and so on.
Our management and our training department, they take care of our employees very well. We also conduct some soft skill training program, technical training program, and intercultural training programs.
We have a unique blend of youth and experience in my team. I have consultants who are pretty experienced in the various modules of SAP, as well as they have a functional backing in the sense that they have real industry experience.
One of the most important thing about Bayer is here the top management gives a lot of emphasis on new ideas, encourage people to come up with innovative thinking, and they give all the encouragement, to work towards that and achieve something with a new, vigor and capabilities.
There are a lot of opportunities available in Bayer, namely the program 1, which is happening for crop science as well as material science. Also a lot of work in APO, which is bound to come to IDC. So I am looking forward to more challenging work in the near future.
I find it very exciting to work at Bayer with the new processes and the new culture and a new employee-friendly environment. And ever since I have joined Bayer, I have worked on various tools and procedures which are very challenging and have worked on challenging projects before, like Bay4S, and presently working with BMS India.
So I'm very much involved in all the stuff here and the whole teams which are participating in the IDC, especially the BI team, which is my responsibility here to assure the communication towards Germany. And what I've experienced here is that people work different than in Germany, but they are very proud of taking challenges and they're doing a very, very good job here.
Bayer has given a lot of things to me, a very good life as well as a very good wife. Coincidentally, my wife is also working in Bayer in corporate accounts.
IDC Test Center is another department where we have 17 members, and these 17 members right now are working on 3 projects, and these projects almost are in delivery phase, and even teams are more motivated because they are being trained for different technologies that is required for testing and ready to deliver any kind of projects.
I was the first Bayer female employee. I got tremendous support from my colleagues and all the heads who were during that time giving for my support. It was a great pleasure working then. I currently work for 2 projects, that is BMS Lancex and BHC BCS. It was great working then. And regarding the work environment, it is great working with Bayer. You get tremendous support. Being a female employee, I really got great support. Like we get drop facilities and so for female employees.
They also get freedom towards their team, so that the team members can enjoy the freedom to have their extracurricular activities, games, different project parties, and many different other things.
Here we are doing identification of critical and security updates, testing it and deploying into the globe.
One of the best things I like about Bayer is the work environment, the atmosphere here. The management here makes sure that all the employees are happy with the work that they are doing, and also with the contribution that they are making to Bayer as an organization.
We have an easy access to our subordinates, and as our superiors also, our problems are immediately resolved, our concerns are immediately taken care of.
Bayer offered me a challenging role, and I have contributed immensely in the areas of recruiting the skilled resources, training them and getting the work and setting up the support team.
At the present role, I am as a team lead for Asia Pacific project, that is for Bayer Hong Kong and Bayer Singapore, which is a 24/7 support. Setting up the NetWeaver Competency Lab is a new challenges, and that is coming up in the market, which we need to compete with the upcoming carriers in SAP.
They have given me a lot of opportunity to go to Germany to learn something about new tasks, about the SAP systems. They sent me to Mexico for a global HRS project, and I'm enjoying it.
IDC now plans to expand its facilitation to provide further solutions for new business.
The IDC happens to be the major organization in the IT department at the moment because of the sheer size of people working in the IDC. What attracts people to join IT in Bayer specifically, it's a rare opportunity to work and implement IT solutions and see the result of it that can only happen in a company like Bayer.
Just recently we had a very small innovation where we provided a workflow on the BlackBerry, so travel application can now be approved through the BlackBerry, so whenever people are on business trips they can approve travel applications, and in future also other workflows can be executed through the BlackBerry.
I was put on an implementation project in Thailand which was full of challenges. Lot of complications were there and very stringent deadlines. It was a very high pressure situation, and with the guidance of my superiors and colleagues in Thailand, project management team, and more importantly my boss Dr. Lohman, I was able to meet all the deadlines.
Recently I delivered a baby girl. In that case, to set a balance between my family and personal life and work balance, I got an opportunity to work for 4 hours, like I give 50% support.
For me, Bayer is not just company. For me, Bayer is my mother, who really, mother, the way she takes care about your child, she guides you, she loves you. Sometimes she shouts on you to help you to grow faster. The same sense the Bayer has taken care of me.
At Bayer is working at home where work is very much fun. We are highly appreciated and endeavor to serve our best to the customer with the best integrity and the knowledge we have and we carry in the IDC.
From my personal point of view, I'm very satisfied because a small offshoring initiative that we started off in 2005 is now a full-fledged independent IDC organization, which has the potential of growing even bigger and bigger.
In future, I see innovation playing a major role in Bayer's strategy roadmap.
All of us in India are very proud of the IDC. It is a small bright jewel in our crown.
The need was to provide cost-effective service with quality. IDC delivered required services to the customer with value addition. As a result, the customers are satisfied with our services and more business has been achieved, which in turn has helped us to grow. Because of our achievements, IDC is known globally in Bayer for good services at a competitive price.
We have participated in internationalizing the services for Bayer IT services worldwide, which means that we can in particular also support our increasing business in Asia Pacific and in India. And furthermore, this is an operation which makes sure that we can provide our existing services in a more cost-effective way in the future.
The India Delivery Center believes that it is better to innovate and fail rather than succeed without innovation.